Hey everyone, good morning and welcome to a day in my life. So I am casually brushing my teeth right now. It's 7 a.m. in the morning and I'm looking like a slob. Please excuse that because I was really tired and feeling super sleepy. Next, I'm going to wash my face with the Pond's Black Face Wash. I use this every single day religiously and it works wonders for my skin. After that is done, I'm going to apply some Lakme sunscreen on my face. Sunscreen is an essential part of my morning skincare routine.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on two separate tracks.
Once that is done, I'm going to drink half a bottle of water on an empty stomach. This helps to release all the toxins in my body and also helps in digestion.
To achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Go take a shower and be right back. So I am back and now I'm going to wear my post-maternity belt and do the household work. This is an absolutely amazing belt and works wonder for your back. It supports your back throughout and I will leave a link of this in the description bar if you guys want to buy it for yourself. Now I've prepared green tea, one for myself and one for my dad, and now I'm going to prepare all the veggies because I'm going to cook mutton today and I will drink my tea and do all the preparation. Preparations are done, I am going to straighten my hair. Now I already have my hair care routine and my hair straightening routine up on my channel. I will leave a link of those two in the description bar if you guys want to check that out. And now by the power of editing, my hair is all straightened. I wish it was this simple and this quick in real life as well. I'm going to have my breakfast. It's 9:30 in the morning and I have puri, some dal and some chena. After my breakfast is done, I'm going to arrange the small bed sheets of my baby girl that have been washed and dried. Then I'm going to move on to preparing the mutton. So here I'm adding all the spices to the onion and the tomato. Let me know in the comments down below if you want a detailed recipe of this mutton. This is called mutton kosha, which is an authentic Bengali style mutton curry. Ready because I have to go to the temple with my husband. I have just tied my hair in a simple manner and I am wearing this green and red sari. And I'm back from the temple and I'm going to take my makeup off with some baby wipes and then wash my face with a face wash to get rid of the makeup. This is how the prepared mutton looks. Now I'm going to have my lunch with some rice and this mutton curry. And the mutton curry was absolutely delicious. So I'm just going to go out now. I have already filmed a get ready with me. I'm going to put this up before or after the vlog. I am not sure. But I'm wearing a sari. Just decided to go ethnic and I'm wearing a sari. I don't know if I'm going to wear it like this or I'm going to pleat it. Still contemplating on that decision. So for our anniversary dinner, we went to mainland China and here are some pictures. I am back from the restaurant. I'm super tired. I'm just going to take my makeup off with the help of makeup wipes and then head straight to bed. And that was the day in my life video, guys. If you guys like the video, then don't forget to hit that like button, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you guys get notified of all my videos as soon as they are uploaded. All my social media links will be in the description bar, so go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until the next time, live long and prosper, my fellow Earthlings.